This topic is very interesting. Two words here, governance and leadership. Then the question arises, what do we understand when we say governance and what is the meaning of leadership? Although both the speakers have explained very scientifically, but I would like to say something based on experience and based on a common person perspective. But both are important for the success of any institution. Governance is what? Governance is system of administration or tools of administration. The system and tools, whatever we want to do, we should have a proper system. And leadership is what? Role of a leader in implementing the governance. Leaders are essential for the success. Without leaders, you can achieve success. Without poor leadership, you can achieve success, but that will be limited to many buts, ifs, heres and theres. Recently, on 12th January 2023, Times of India reported about our Honorable Prime Minister, and it is written, PM Modi is a living example of a powerful leader who has created new hope amongst people. He is a powerful leader, no doubt, no debate on it. It means what? A leader should create hope, inspiration, aspiration, motivation amongst his people, and also confidence, trust and respect among people who are working with him, or trust, respect and in the team which is created by a leader. This vice chancellorship or the directorship of any higher education institution is a leadership position. And whenever, the former President of India, Kalam Sahib, said at many occasions, there are two types of attitudes, and they become very prominent in the leadership roles. Whenever someone joins with a mindset of, what can I give to the system? System is governance. What can I give to the system? Then his total efforts will be on giving. Then his team will work accordingly, and results will be very different. But if my attitude is, what can I take from the system? That makes all the difference. So whenever you are joining a leadership position, those who are on the leadership positions or the potential leaders, or my dear friend, those who are here, tomorrow you want to be on leadership position, my advice is your attitude should be, what can I give to the system? What can I contribute to the system? And this should be the fundamental principle of your governance. गीता में भी ये बहुत अच्छे से बात कही है, that should be your principle of governance. कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फल हेतु भूर्माते संगो सत्व कर्मण्य. ये हमने सबने सुनी कि हम कर्म करें, लेकिन उसका जो इफेक्ट है, उसका जो फल है, उस पर हमारा कोई अधिकार नहीं होना चाहिए. लेकिन उस फल पे हमारा अधिकार नहीं है तो हमें कोई मोटिवेशन नहीं, हम काम ही ना करें, ये भी नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड दिस इज ए वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट concept for leadership. Please take decisions, take initiatives, but do not attach your any benefit in it. नहीं तो उसका इफेक्ट कम हो जाएगा. उसका इफेक्ट कम हो जाएगा. In 2011, when I became the vice chancellor of MS University of Baroda, I shared in Banaras conference also the same thing. I met, so I thought, because I am very new in the whole system of this leadership, so I met few senior vice chancellors. So please advise me, what should I do? Because MS University of Baroda is a very big, old and eminent institution of our country. What should I do? And the common advice which came, if you want to be successful, please do not do recruitment. Don't go for construction activities. And third is, please do not go for expansion of your university. So it means what? A vice chancellor should not do expansion, recruitment and construction, because then controversies will come. That controversy, you can come in trouble. Please don't do that. You will be very successful, and your tenure will be without any controversies and problems. Then I was thinking, if I don't do that, a country of 131 crore people, where, we want expansion. We want to, like Prime Minister rightly said, India should be a developed nation by 2047. It means what? And the tool is what? Transformational tool is education. And education will come through universities. And for this, all three activities are required. So my advice to all of you, those who are here, if you want to be a successful Vice Chancellor, focus on these three. Construction, recruitment, and expansion activities. Because country needs that, all these activities. Because this leadership position is a position of responsibility. तो हमेशा ध्यान रखना, someone has rightly said, खुद मझधार में होकर भी जो औरों का साहिल होता है, खुद मझधार में होकर भी जो औरों का साहिल होता है, परमात्मा जिम्मेदारियां उसी को देता है जो निभाने के काबिल होता है. Now when it comes to the leadership traits, 4 words are very important in leadership whenever we talk about leadership and governance systems in any higher education institutions. One is the communication, second is the courage, third is the commitment, fourth is the compassion. Now please think about which is more important. You will say all are important. Communication, commitment, courage and compassion, all are important. But which is most important? If we compare two personalities, Hitler and Abraham Lincoln, Hitler was 10 out of 10 on compassion, on commitment, 10 out of 10 on courage, 10 out of 10 on communication. जब वो बोलता था तो रोए खड़े कर देता था लोगों के. Abraham Lincoln was average on all these three aspects. When it comes to compassion, Hitler was 0 on compassion. Abraham Lincoln was 9 out of 10 compassion. This is the fundamental trait for any leader. Leaders without compassion are very dangerous leaders. Please don't behave like that. Focus on compassion. करुणा के भाव को रखना अपने अंदर. इसीलिए ईश्वर ने ये जिम्मेदारी आपको दी है. ये ध्यान रखना. And be decisive and take bold decisions. Don't worry about it because you have not attached any value for yourself. Take bold decisions. Be decisive. Be decisive. And if you say something, please mean it. People don't expect कि हर चीज कागज पे लिखी जाएगी. But if you are saying something, it should have value, and everyone will respect if you respect your words. Say something, please mean it. Another very important aspect. कुंवर बेचन साहब की कविता की लाइनें मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं. लीडरशिप पे बहुत अच्छी जाती भी हैं. वो कहते हैं कि कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना. कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना कि जिसने बाढ़ के पानी में भी सीखा अड़े रहना. तो ये जो लीडरशिप है, ये पेड़ है वो, कि कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना. हर मुसीबत में आपको खड़े रहना है. आप डरेंगे, कायर होंगे तो कोई आपके साथ लगने वाला नहीं है. कायरों के पीछे कोई नहीं लगता. कोई उस पेड़ से पूछे मुसीबत में खड़े रहना कि जिसने बाढ़ के पानी में भी सीखा अड़े रहना. मैं कितने ही बड़े लोगों की नीचाइयों से वाकिफ हूं. बड़ा मुश्किल है दुनिया में बड़े होकर बड़ा रहना. तो आप बड़े होकर बड़े रहें. आपका बिहेवियर, कंडक्ट बड़े वाला होना चाहिए. जब आपसे कोई मिलके जाए ना, तो उसको कभी ये नहीं लगना चाहिए, जब वो बाहर निकलता है आपके ऑफिस से, तो उसे ये ना एहसास कराना या उसे ये ना लगे कि कुर्सी तो बड़ी थी पर आदमी छोटा बैठा हुआ था. कुर्सी तो बड़ी थी लेकिन आदमी छोटा बैठा हुआ था. ये एहसास ना हो. आप बड़े होकर बड़े रहना, ये भी एक बहुत आवश्यक है. क्योंकि बरगद बनने की बात करते हैं गमलों में उगने वाले लोग. बरगद बनने की बात करते हैं गमलों में उगने वाले लोग. ध्यान रखना, गमलों के अंदर बरगद नहीं पैदा होते. हमें अपने गमले तोड़ने होंगे छोटी सोच के, जेलसीज के, छोटे बिहेवियर के. सबके प्रति अच्छा भाव रखो. वो गमले तोड़ो तो बरगद बनोगे. ध्यान रखना, कभी भी बरगद गमलों में नहीं पैदा होते. और ऑलवेज थिंक क्वालिटी इज नॉट इन नंबर्स. Although numbers are important, rankings are important, everything is important. STR is important, but quality is not in numbers. Quality is in the people. Focus on the people in and around you. Numbers will improve automatically. If you start only focusing on the numbers, you may get some temporary gains. But for the larger sustainable gains, please focus on the people in and around you, and also admire those who deliver. Create a team of those people who can deliver. भारत में कथाकार तो बहुत हैं. कथाकारों का देश है ये अपना. एक से एक कथाकार पड़े, डिलीवर नहीं करते. एडवाइस देते हैं, मैं भी दे रहा हूं बहुत सारी. एडवाइस देते हैं, डिलीवर नहीं करते. ऐसा नहीं करना. इसलिए यू शुड हैव द टीम ऑफ पर्सन्स हु डिलीवर, व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड Appreciate others as a leader. Appreciate the work of others. सबका क्रेडिट खुद लेने की मत सोचो, क्योंकि जब आप क्रेडिट खुद लोगे, एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार मिलेगा, बाकी मिलेगा ही नहीं, काम ही नहीं मिलेगा, क्रेडिट कहां से आएगा आपको? एंड यू आर द वाइस चांसलर और डायरेक्टर ऑफ एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, आपको तो क्रेडिट आएगा ही आएगा, कहां जाएगा वो आपसे बच के? सो शेयर क्रेडिट. Learn to understand the power of appreciation and goodness. And please do good things without expecting anything in return. World is a wonderful place. What goes around usually comes around. So success is, please remember, my dear friends, success is not in acts, statutes, regulations. Success is not in ordinances. Success is not in guidelines. Success is not even in policies. Success is in your decisions. Success is in your courage. Success is in your compassion, kindness and actions. Those will support you. Your policies will support you. Your policies तो बहुत पहले से भी होती हैं. Policies, acts, statute, everything will support you. But if you are not able to take a decision out of it for the larger good of the people, then you will not be able to deliver what you are expected to deliver. So create a team with trust and respect. Please take notes on daily basis and weekly basis. What is expected? What do you want to do? And then please do it also. Don't make only that list. We all prepare lists, but please do it that also, because sometimes we get a chance. Sometimes we get a Sometimes we get a chance. मैं डर गया, वो आ गया. So sometimes we get a chance. अनवर शौक ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही है. इत्तेफाक अपनी जगह, इत्तेफाक अपनी जगह, खुशकिस्मती अपनी जगह. आप खुशकिस्मती से भी वाइस चांसलर बन सकते हैं, इत्तेफाक से भी बन सकते हैं. बन सकते हैं ना? इत्तेफाक अपनी जगह, खुशकिस्मती अपनी जगह. खुद बनाता है जहां में आदमी अपनी जगह, अपनी जगह बनाने में. Virtuous leaders and leadership. Virtuous leaders, they want others to succeed, and the toxic leaders, they want others to fail. This is the difference. So please become virtuous leaders for higher education institutions. People will join you. Things will change in the institution. Everyone wants success. Everyone wants cheer. Everyone wants respect. छोटा बच्चा भी respect मांगता है घर में.